I guess I have a problem with the way that particular one goes. Because when the election goes, what you're voting on is a slate, and what you're doing is just taking one person from a slate, not two.
Right.
And that's not what this says.
I don't know what that says.
That's what it does say.
This is the state.
Which rule?
That's what it does say, if you read it. I know.
Which
Like
number?
you explained it.
Which number are you referring
Four.
to? Number 4. So if you,
When there are two individual elected, there is no candidate / slate reaching necessary when runoff shall be between the top three.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is, when you're voting a slate, you're voting the whole slate, not a person.
Yeah, okay, so I didn't get to that yet.
Okay,
All right, so now let's say we got slate A, 1, 2, 3. One, slate, 2, slate, 3. Oh, let's say we got slate 4. That's the problem, we got slate 4. Okay, and we're all done voting. Remember that number, N? N has to be greater than 33%. 0.3. All right, what happens if nobody gets, you got enough slates, and this is probably going to happen when we elect the individual females, and on the Hillary side, this is probably going to happen because we got a lot of people. Okay, so let's say this slate gets 25, this place gets 20, 5, and whatever's right. What is that? Well, okay, I can't do that.
Make it 20,
30, here we go, 30, 30, 30, and 10, okay? Right? That's what it turns out. Wait a second. Okay, so 30, 30, 30, nobody got that. All right? So, we can't pick anybody. So, what we have to do is have, and this is what it says, if no slate got more than blah, 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 if no slate got more than any of this, then we have a runoff between the top 3, okay?
Alright.
And then we revote,
okay.
okay? And then with the top, with having only 3, one will then meet that. And so then you can do the calculation. Okay, so on the Hill, so when we're electing individuals, one female alternate, this number is going to be N greater than 1 over 1 person plus 1, which is 1 over 2, which is 50%, okay? So if we have 5 people running and nobody gets over 50%, likely case perhaps, right? Then you have a runoff between the top, because you're electing 1 person, the top 2, okay? So for when we're electing individuals, if nobody gets over 50%, we have a runoff between the top 2. So it's likely we're going to have runoff elections, or probable, perhaps. Any other questions?
Thank you for letting me use my high school algebra.
Yeah.
Yep, all right, as long as you know what you're doing.
question?
Are the elections done privately or by hands?
So you're going to sit by county, and you're going to hopefully have a county spokesman on the Bernie side. You'll probably have to, because you have enough people, and you'll have to tell them, I'm voting for slate 1.
Okay.
It's public. I mean, it's open,
Gotcha.
right? Not private or whatever.
Okay, thank you.
Not secret ballot.
Not secret
Not
ballot.
secret ballot. It's all public. Any other questions?
Go ahead.
We were just commenting about the Clinton people, and I understand that there's delegates. First one is first one, there are 2 delegates, so.
1 male and 1 female.
Yeah. So in the Clinton caucus, there's 1 male delegate and then 1 female delegate,
Yeah.
correct? But in the Bernie caucus, it's 1 female delegate, 1 male delegate, and then a second female delegate.
2 male delegates.
That is not correct. On the Bernie side, there will be 2 male delegates, 1 female, and 1 female alternate.
I got a correction on that, sorry.
Okay, and And then we have another question.
I was just wondering, now, you vote for Slade, you signed in,
No, you vote,
for the candidate.
the candidate.
So if you're blue, you're gonna be to the right. If you're red, you're going to be to the left.
All right.
Bernie, I wanted to make you happy, John. So it'll be Hillary, Bernie. And that's what we're going to do in just a moment. All right, we are now going to recess. Oh, wait, we are not. I need a credentials report.
and what do you need from that?
How many Bernie delegates there are here?
Ain't that,
How many?
ain't that the truth?
How many
Yes, that's good. In case anyone's confused.
54 delegates for Bernie.
Are you counting? We have 54 delegates?
And 24. And now I think I got
But that's how many people are running? Oh, that are here. I was like, what? Crazy. We hope.
All right, and that being said, when this is all said and done, remember that we are Democrats.
Yes.